Guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the community, please don't be a stranger. Select the like, share, and subscribe button. I hope you're doing well. Guys, I have a lead for you today. I have another lead for you today, and it is from a company called Ibex, not the animal, but the actual company. And they're an elite customer outsourcer of the world's startups, scale ups, and blue chips. Now, they connect the world's leading brands to their customers, and they have offices worldwide. So they have offices in the United States, Pakistan, Philippines, Jamaica, Nicaragua, Honduras, and Senegal. Now, this company is well established. They have over 30,000 employees. They've been around for a while, and they're hiring customer service representatives. So, for the position that I'm going to be reviewing, it is for the US. However, the link will also be provided for other parts of the world so that you can peruse the website to see what is there for you. Okay, so for the customer service representatives role, once you click on USA, it will display the different positions that are available. So mine is just showing here location operations, and then you can scroll through to see what is applicable. So I'm just going to select one, and I've selected apply now. It shows the salary, and that's $14 per hour. And it shows a little bit about the company. So the overview is showing our focus is to provide a seamless candidate experience, a training environment that is conducive to the learner, benefits, perks, and engagement for our agents to ensure that they have the best employee experience. We know a happy agent makes a quality agent. You make the difference for our customers, and your interactions influence how they feel about the brand they have chosen. Our agents matter, you matter. As stated before, they are located in 26 sites. They're all over the world. Their headquarters, however, is in Washington, D.C. So about the role, it says the customer service representative helps schedule and coordinate rides to medical facilities for customers who are not able to drive themselves. Our mission is to ensure they can get to and from their medical appointments on time with minimal effort or stress. We achieve this by making the scheduling process as smooth, simple, and painless for our customers as possible. So the daily responsibility shows schedule, route, and dispatch trips to all manner of providers, assist in coordination of mass transportation when needed, administer trips for volunteer, independent drivers, and mileage reimbursement programs, works closely with transportation providers and healthcare facilities to resolve problems, assigns reservations to network providers to ensure that vehicle resources are used most efficiently and effectively to meet client demands, responsible for daily communication with transportation providers, ensure accurate trip data input to minimize errors and delays in timelines. Now, the qualification, skills, experience needed, high level of patience, empathy, and care for customers, at least 6 months to 1 year customer service experience in an inbound call center environment with heavy phone volume and data entry preferred, prior inbound call center experience preferred, excellent customer service phones and phone skills, proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook, and you must have the ability to work independently or within a team. Education is your high school or GED diploma. All right. And the benefits shows medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k retirement saving plan, paid time off, paid T-Mobile self-services, cool, and $500 employee referral program, as well as employee perk spots such as discounts on retail, hotel, food, restaurants, car rental, and much more. Now, if you're interested in this position, go ahead and select the link in my description below. And good luck. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.